Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A03 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once on this Samsung. First of all, you need to open Gallery app. Now hold one of your photos that you wish to delete. I will go into Camera folder and select this one. Now you can click on all of them if you wish to, or just select all at the top left corner. So when I click, as you can see, all of my photos were successfully selected. In order to delete them, click on Delete All at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!